quick, right? And also, let me go ahead and get the thing that we about to be cutting this bad boy open with. Yeah, we upgraded. We meet again, my friend. I brought my A game today. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Now, when it comes to this video, like I said in the last video, another pair of sneakers. And for today's video, as you guys can see, hold on 1 minute.
2 hours later.
We have another sneaker unboxing. Now, listen. Your boy has been on a roll with the sneaker unboxing, so please go ahead and smash that like button because I will definitely appreciate that. But before we get into this video, you guys already know we have to get into the socials. So the socials, meaning the Instagram and the Twitter, is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. Also, shout out to Spree Collective. You feel me? Go ahead and get you a face mask, you feel me? Because you need to make sure that you are safe no matter what. Also make sure that you get you some gloves too. But without further ado, I need to make sure that I myself am ready for this, bro. Hold on.
Oh!
Pretty quick, right? And also, let me go ahead and get the thing that we about to be cutting this bad boy open with. Yeah, we upgraded. We meet again, my friend. Damn. That's just intimidating, bro. Like, this thing is mad sharp. I ain't even gonna cap with you, bro. I'm kind of scared to use this again because it's just like, if you guys don't know, in the last unboxing, I unboxed a super dope pair of shoes, and I did actually cut myself. I actually cut my hand. Without further ado, let me go ahead and, ow! Bro, I literally cut my, I literally just cut myself, bro. I really did. I literally just cut myself, bro. You see that, bro? Here. He's all yours. But I forgot to mention one cool thing that is cool about these pair of sneakers is that this pair of sneakers were purchased from STOCKX. So this is going to be my first ever purchase from STOCKX, my first ever unboxing from STOCKX. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper and let them know that Chris Briggs told you to do it, because we are about to get it popping. Now, let me be as careful as I can be and get into this bad boy, you feel me? Lord. Like, that thing just cut the tape so effortlessly. Damn. Alright, so we made it through this one and we still have our fingers intact. My head is still here. I'm still talking to you. One thing that I do have to say is shout out to that one special person out there, my girl. I do have to say thank you to her because surprisingly, I wasn't expecting this, but she got me a pair of shoes for my birthday. All I have to say is, hey, fellas out there, find you a girl that loves you enough to pick you up some shoes that you've been looking for a long time. Now, when it comes to the sneakers that are in this box, I remember being a kid and seeing these and my mind was blown while seeing them, and now they re-retroed and I was able to grab these. But without further ado, yeah, bro. I guarantee none of you guys knew that I was going to be picking up a sneaker like this, bro. I guarantee none of you knew that I was going to be picking up a sneaker like this. Hold on.
Oh!
Let's go ahead and get even more crazy. Dang, get up on out of there. So, we tossed the box and now we have the full package. And as you guys can already see, size 10, Nike LeBron VII QS, and the QS stands for Quick Strike. Now, as only the OGs know what type of box this is. As we open this right here, ooh, hold on. What is this? Okay, so first and foremost, there's a Cause holiday picture that's in this bad boy. Don't know where that came from. Welcome. By now you already know how StockX is the live marketplace for sneakers, streetwear, collectibles, handbags, and watches. But we're about so much more than that. StockX is about access. Whether it's the latest sneaker drop you missed out on or that Gucci bag you've always wanted, on StockX, everything is always available and always 100% authentic. Plus, with StockX, you always pay a fair price, the true market price. So thank you for buying on StockX and for being a part of our incredible community. Let's go, Scott Cutler. Hey, Scott, I appreciate the whatever the message is that you put in this bad boy. I really do appreciate it. But one thing that I do have to say is, I do not agree with that 3% processing fee on both ends. You niggas are double dipping. You boys are definitely double dipping. But when it comes to the sneaker that we picked up for today, we have to give it to the Nike LeBron 7 Christmas. I know a lot of you guys watching this don't even know about the LeBron 7s. Let me examine these bad boys real quick. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Dang. Ooh. Ooh, LeBron 7s. Hey, StockX, shout out for the StockX tag, bro. I saw on Twitter that a lot of people was hating on people that actually wear the StockX tag. Do you guys care if people wear the StockX tag on their shoes? Let me know in the comment section down below. But the Nike LeBron 7 Christmas, but these are the 2019 edition. These right here are fire. Now when it comes to just the LeBron series in general, LeBron has a whole bunch of iconic sneakers like the Zoom Generation 1, the Nike LeBron 4, but my personal favorites have to be the Nike LeBron 9. I do need another pair of free gums. Those are my first pair of LeBrons ever, but the LeBron 7 was second. Now my favorite pair of like LeBron 7s, I'll probably have to give it to the red carpets. I still need those in the collection, and the hardcore classics. I think those bad boys are just insane to me. These are just sick. The fact that them things at the top go from black and then fade from black all the way to the red down here is super cool. How they just offset it with that silver and black swoosh, I think that is dope. Now when it comes to these bad boys right here, I think that these remind me of straight up 2008, 2009, maybe 2010. Because bro, these remind me of like the 2010 Hyper Dunks, bro. That black fading to red, and then the little tiny hit of green on that LeBron 23 right here is super cool also. And another thing that I did notice is that the sneaker came with an extra set of laces, and it came with like these bright red laces right here. Will I be putting in the red laces in the Christmases? Just to give it a little bit of extra pop, I might have to do it. But when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, I had to give it to the Nike LeBron 7 Christmas, but the 2019 versions. Now when it comes to these bad boys, how do you guys feel about these? Do you guys think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. As you guys already know, I have a nice little on foot review and full review coming for these. You guys already know what we gotta do. We gotta go ahead and give these the treatment. So I just can't do a video without a box falling, you feel me? I just can't do it. So when it comes to these, stay tuned for that. If you guys want these, you can find them on the Nike website right now. But once they sell out, it's wraps. I'm just going to let you know. Thank you guys for watching as always. As you guys already know, I got more bangers coming soon, more dope videos coming soon. Let me know how you felt about these bad boys in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for that on foot review and that full review. And without further ado, all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out. This is hard as hell. This is hard, bro.